Imagine you're a budding entrepreneur, ready to dive into the world of dropshipping. You've heard about Modalyst, a platform promising to simplify the process. But who is really behind this powerful tool? Who's pulling the strings? Modalyst, with its sleek interface and vast product catalog, has quickly become a go-to platform for many aspiring online retailers. But its ownership remains a mystery to many. Who is profiting from the success of this platform? Is it a single individual, a small team, or perhaps a larger corporation? Theories and speculations. Let's explore some of the most common theories surrounding Modalyst's ownership. Some believe it to be a subsidiary of a larger e-commerce conglomerate, while others speculate that it's a venture backed by a group of private investors. There are even those who claim that Modalyst is a front for a secretive organization. One popular theory suggests that Modalyst is owned by a group of tech entrepreneurs who saw an opportunity in the growing dropshipping market. These individuals, with their deep understanding of technology and business, may have founded the platform with the goal of disrupting the traditional retail landscape. Another theory posits that Modalyst is a joint venture between several established companies. This could explain why the platform has access to such a wide range of products and services. Perhaps it's a collaboration between a manufacturing company, a logistics provider, and a technology firm. Investigating the clues. To shed some light on Modalyst's ownership, let's examine the available clues. One important piece of information is the company's location. Modalyst is headquartered in Los Angeles, California, a city known for its thriving tech scene. This suggests that the owners may be based in the United States. Another clue comes from the company's website. While Modalyst doesn't explicitly disclose its ownership structure, there are hints that can be gleaned from the language used and the partnerships mentioned. For example, the website often refers to our team and our mission, implying that there are multiple individuals involved in running the company. Furthermore, Modalyst has formed partnerships with various brands and suppliers. These collaborations can provide insights into the company's network and potentially reveal the identities of its investors or partners. The search for the truth. Despite our best efforts, the true ownership of Modalyst remains elusive. While we have explored several theories and examined the available evidence, there is no definitive answer. The company has been successful in maintaining a level of secrecy surrounding its ownership structure. It's possible that Modalyst's owners prefer to remain anonymous to avoid unwanted attention. This could be for a variety of reasons, such as privacy concerns or business strategies. Additionally, maintaining a level of mystery can add to the company's mystique and appeal. So, who really owns Modalyst? The answer to this question may never be definitively known. However, by understanding the various theories and examining the available evidence, we can gain a better appreciation for the company's origins and its impact on the dropshipping industry. While the identity of Modalyst's owners may remain a mystery, the platform itself continues to thrive. Its user-friendly interface, vast product catalog, and commitment to quality have made it a popular choice for entrepreneurs seeking to start or grow their online businesses. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, join us as we delve deeper into the world of dropshipping and explore other fascinating topics.